Welcome to qnawire.
In this question, it is told that a particle is projected at an angle of alpha with the horizontal from the foot of an inclined plane, which is making an angle of beta with the horizontal. We have to find that which of the following expression is good for when the particle strikes the inclined plane normally. So first of all, I am drawing the diagram for this question. So this is the inclined plane we have given to us, which makes an angle of beta, and it is told that a projectile is projected at an angle of alpha with this horizontal surface, and let this is the projection trajectory, and it told it strikes normally to this plane. So this is the final position of this projectile, and let this its initial speed in this direction is u, and we can say that this is our x-axis, and let this is our y-axis along the inclined plane. So we can say that if I show the gravity force acting on this body, so we can say that the gravity force is acting vertically downward, that is g. So the component of the gravity force in this direction and in this direction, this is given by g cos beta, and this is g sin beta. This is the along y and this is along x. So we can say that finally from equation of motion we can say that is final velocity in x direction is equal to this is ux minus ax into t. Here t is the time of flight. We know that the initial velocity, that is ux, is equal to this is u into cos this angle, that is alpha minus beta. So and we have the acceleration in x direction, that is g sin beta. So we can say that finally, now put this data in this equation. So we can say that from here, as final velocity at as it strikes normally to this plane, so we can say that there is no component of final velocity. So this is 0 is equal to this is u cos alpha minus beta minus this is g sin beta into t. So this is our equation first. Now we can say that as we know, in case of projectile motion on inclined plane, time of flight is given by that is t is equal to this is 2u into sine alpha minus beta upon g cos beta. So we can say from equation 1, if we put the value of t in equation 1, so we can say that u cos alpha minus beta is equal to this is g sin beta into this is 2u sin alpha minus beta upon g cos beta, or we can say that u will cancel out. So finally we can say that this this will come here, and we get this is cos beta upon sin beta is equal to this is sin alpha minus beta upon cos alpha minus beta into 2. So we can say finally this is equals to cot beta, and this is equals to 2 times of tan alpha minus beta. So this is the answer of our given question, and we can say for that correct option is option B. Thank you.